My name is Tyrell Ivey. I'm a Master of Music candidate in Music Technology at Southern Utah University. This concert is inspired by a show called Video Games Live, which is a touring production that performs orchestral soundtracks from the world's most popular video games. I've had the opportunity to be a part of the show several times, and I just loved every minute of it. So I thought, how great would it be to take those experiences and offer them to young people who don't normally get to be involved in something like this. You don't have to play video games to appreciate awesome music. So whether you come from a gaming background or not, we want this to be a different kind of concert for you. The music that you'll hear tonight is some of the most epic and inspiring music known to the modern world. And what that means is, this isn't a traditional concert. And so we don't expect you to be a traditional audience.